Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Kani cream korokke. A mixture of creamy bechamel sauce and crab meat is coated with panko breadcrumbs and deep fried. This is another popular Western-style Japanese dish that's been around for a very long time. These are the ingredients. For more information, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we are making the bechamel sauce. Melt the butter in a frying pan at medium heat and add 2.5 tablespoons flour and cook for a minute until bubbling, stirring constantly. Pour half of the milk and stir and whisk to blend in well. Add the rest of the milk and whisk until very smooth. The texture here has to be harder than the usual sauce to hold the shape, but still creamy enough after being deep fried. Turn off the heat and season with salt and pepper. Stir. Add the crab meat and stir to mix well. Turn the crab meat mixture out on a small baking sheet lined with a plastic wrap. Smooth the surface and chill for about an hour in the fridge. Divide the chilled mixture into 6 equal pieces. Using knife will be easier. And just take one by hand and form it into a cylinder shape like that. And repeat. Now we are going to bread the crab mixture. First, coat the surface with the flour. We're using all-purpose flour here. Then dip it into the egg. And finally, cover with the panko breadcrumbs. And repeat. Heat the frying oil at medium-high heat and drop the breaded crab mixture into the oil carefully, one by one. You can use a deep fryer if you have one, or you can just pour the oil over to let the top surface cook faster without breaking the piece. Gently roll over and fry for a couple of minutes until browned. And remove from the oil. Serve immediately while it's hot. You can squeeze lemon juice or serve with tonkatsu sauce if you like. If you are not into crab meat or seafood, you can use chicken or vegetables like corn and spinach. It's crispy outside and creamy inside. This may not be so quick and easy to make, but the result is so worth it.
美味しい。
美味しいね。